Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of The Artificial Professor, and in this video we are going to be learning how to hide Threads badge from Instagram profile. So the steps are going to be pretty simple, so make sure to follow along and not get just shifted. So first of all, simply open Instagram onto your phone. So right now, as you can see, I have opened my Instagram profile. Simply head over to your profile from the bottom right side of your screen, and once you do, you can see we are on our profile. And here what you are going to be doing is that you can see we have this little tag thread and 100 million, something like that. So basically this number was introduced when Thread was released, and it was every person that downloaded and made an account on Thread was marked with a particular number on which particular place he joined Thread. So I joined after 100 million people joined, so you might have a different number in here. So many times you might find this non-concerning, and you do not want that onto your profile, and you want to simply remove it. The steps are pretty simple. You can see we have this little option to hide badge. Click on that and you can see it will be removed, and you can't add back to your profile once you remove it. So it is giving you a warning that once you remove it, you cannot add it again. So make sure that if you really want to remove it, it's your final decision, or you can have a second mind or second thought. So with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you did so, and also like the video and share around with your friends. Thanks so much for watching The Artificial Professor, and see you around in the next amazing video.